to Bauna's Kitchen and Living. In today's episode, I'm making quick black beans and avocado tostadas. It's one of my favorite combinations, so let's get started. I normally buy this huge bag of white corn tortillas, and I keep on preparing recipes using corn tortillas. It is so much easier to prepare fresh tortilla chips, tostadas, even like one can make taquitos, and also flotas, any Mexican recipes that you want to prepare. These are very versatile corn tortillas. You can buy the big bag of corn tortillas. So let's prepare first tostadas. Here I have white corn tortillas. Yellow corn tortillas can be used as well. Take one at a time and brush with cooking oil. I'm using peanut oil on both sides and ready to roast. Then use air fry or roast function. I'm going to use roast function. It is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I am going to slow roast to make it crunchy. So I am going to reduce the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and start. Alright, so let's check our tostadas. As you can see, they have become crispy. And the color has actually changed to slightly yellow now from white. Now the tostadas can stay great for up to a month, even once they are nicely done, crunchy. You can store in an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place to store. Here I have pressure boiled black beans. Just season the black beans with taco seasoning. Keep watching this video till the end for making taco seasoning and sauce at home. Mix it and keep aside. Now let's assemble the tostadas. Alright, so I'm going to take 2 tostadas. Here I have black refried beans. So first I'm going to spread black beans like so. Next, onion. Then I have avocado. I'm just going to slice it up and fan it out on tostadas. Scoop it out. Toppings could be your favorite, but this is one of my favorite combination to make tostadas with. I got some black part. I'm going to remove it and look at this. I messed it up, but that's completely okay. And the next I'm going to add some jalapenos, sliced jalapenos, or you can chop fine. A little bit of more onion. Squeeze lime juice. Cilantro. Cheese can be used to top it up, but I am just going to keep it vegan and gluten-free. Feel like missing some good color here, so I decided to sprinkle some tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes. And now it's perfect. Alright, so here I have my plate ready. I'm so ready to dig into this, one of my favorite. Hope you can hear the crunch. So tasty, I can't tell you. Must try recipe. And I have fresh orange juice, freshly squeezed from oranges. It's like a heaven to me right now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon. To prepare multi-purpose Mexican seasoning, into the mixer jar take onion and garlic powder. Here I have 3 different varieties of chili powder. Only one kind can be used. I'm using hot chili, cayenne and paprika powder. Next I have ground coriander and cumin powder. Then salt and pepper. Dried oregano. And last but not least, unsweetened cocoa powder and cornstarch. Cover the jar and pulse all the ingredients few times until all the ingredients are well incorporated, and our homemade Mexican seasoning is ready to use in recipes. Let me show you how the color looks like. Now to preserve this seasoning really well, use airtight container or jar and use within 3 months for the best flavor. A good, simple salsa is easy to make but full of flavor. To me personally, party would be incomplete without zesty salsa. So today I'm making red and green salsa. Next, it's time to prepare the red salsa, and here I have the ingredients ready to prepare red classic salsa. Into the food processor cup, take diced tomatoes. I prefer to use diced tomato because it helps to preserve the salsa longer. Onion, colorful peppers, cilantro, jalapeno or serrano pepper, salt, ground cumin, garlic, juice of lemon or lime, and simply ready to blend. Let me show you the colorful salsa. Look at it. I cannot resist myself. This homemade red and green salsa can be preserved up to a week into refrigerator. To prepare the green salsa, I prefer to take mostly green ingredients. And here I have the ingredients ready to prepare the green salsa. Take tomatoes, remove the husk from the tomatoes, wash really well. And into the food processor cup, take tomatoes, cilantro, coriander leaves, jalapeno or serrano peppers, onion, garlic, ground cumin and salt to taste, juice of a lemon or lime, and ready to blend. Let me show you the color of the salsa. Zesty, tasty salsa. Here I got some corn chips to go with all the dips. Perfect to serve with tortilla chips or any kind of corn chips. It's a festive season and we need lots of colorful yet little healthy food to put on table. So stay tuned for all upcoming colorful recipes. enjoyed watching this video, please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also download Bauna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bauna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also visit my website baunaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thanks for watching and see you soon.